What's up, amigos? It's the Prodigy Maker Minute with yours truly, Chris Lewitt. As you may know, I'm the former #1 for Cornell University, pro circuit player, elite junior development coach, and author and educator, author of The Secrets of Spanish Tennis and the Tennis Technique Bible. So in this Prodigy Maker Minute, I want to talk to you about junior tournaments and something that I see coming that's going to revolutionize junior tournaments, and that is automatic line calling. And there's a number of companies in this space, and I don't know how it's going to shake out, but I know that this is going to be the future. And I'm hoping that the USTA, UTR, and other governing bodies can adopt automatic line calling as a way to eliminate cheating in junior tennis tournaments and to make the tournament experience for families and players much more enjoyable and much more fair. And I just think this is the future, and I'd like to have it happen soon, hopefully sooner than later. Maybe even in the next 2 years it could happen. The reason why I'm hopeful is because a friend of mine sent me a link for a new company called Baseline Vision. It's called Baseline Vision. And that company has a new system, and I haven't tried the system yet, but I'm interested in possibly purchasing it for my club courts, because I would like to host tournaments that have automatic line calling. And there are other companies in this space like PlaySite, for example, and a few other names that off the top of my head slip my mind. But Baseline Vision has a new device that sits on the net post, and it has 2 cameras. It's really cool. It has a computer and 2 cameras, and it's able to call the lines with very high accuracy. And it's not that expensive. What excites me about that product is that it costs between $1,000 and $1,500 per court, which I think is quite reasonable. And it's the lowest price that I've seen for a system like that. And it just shows me that the economics of this solution, this technological solution, are getting better. And it gets me excited that this could possibly happen soon, like the USTA or UTR or ITF. They could actually mandate a system like this for, they could maybe start with the biggest tournaments, the nationals, the international tournaments, the tournaments with the most points, with the most at stake. And eventually, what I hope would happen is that if you want to host a tournament, let's say a USTA junior tournament, that you're required to have your courts equipped with some type of technology like this to ensure fair play. And so for me, this is the future, and this future can be now. The future can be soon. This can happen soon if the governing bodies get on board with this technology, and if they just maybe admit how bad and how rampant the cheating is in junior tennis right now, with kids calling their own lines and also trying to keep their own scores. And I'm just very, very excited about the possibility in the near future. Not, this is not 20 or 30 years away. This could happen in the next couple of years. And maybe it could happen at high-level tournaments where there's a requirement that if you want to host a tournament, you've got to have some automatic line calling in place. And now there are technological solutions that are relatively inexpensive that can do this. I think this should be a mandate. This could be a mandate that I would support. Now, I've criticized USDA mandates before, but this is one USDA mandate that I will wholeheartedly support. Let's require clubs and venues to have automatic line calling, technology to prevent cheating, to call lines and prevent cheating in place for any important junior event. And we can finally stop complaining about the cheating going on in junior tennis. What do you guys think? If you like this Prodigy Maker Minute, check out my big show, The Prodigy Maker Show. It's a podcast and YouTube show. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We're trying to grow this channel. I consider it a place for intelligent tennis commentary and intelligent tennis people. And we're trying to grow the channel to 10,000 subscribers in the next, short term, next year or two. So I appreciate your support. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next program.